In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Google Doc. Let's dive right in and get you started quickly and easily. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. You should see a grid icon, which is commonly referred to as the Google Apps button. This is your gateway to all the various applications Google offers. Click on that grid icon to reveal a drop-down menu filled with different apps. As you scroll through the list of apps, look for the Docs app. It's typically denoted by a blue icon with a white paper image. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. You might have to click More to reveal additional apps. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on Docs. This will automatically redirect you to the Google Docs homepage, where you can create and manage all of your documents. Now, on the Google Docs main page, you will see several template options, but what we want is to create a blank document. The first option you'll notice is a big white square labeled blank. Click on that to open a new document ready for you to start writing. Sometimes you might find yourself with a document already open, and you'd like to start a new one without navigating back to the home page. In such cases, simply look to the top left corner of your current document screen and click on the word File in the menu bar. This will bring down a list of options. From this drop-down menu, select New. After clicking on New, you will be given a few new choices. The one you'll want to click on is labeled Document. Doing this will open a brand new blank Google Doc in which you can start writing immediately. Whether you're typing notes, creating a report, or drafting a letter, this process is flexible enough to serve all your documentation needs. Now you know how to create a new Google Doc like a pro. This skill will be particularly handy for everything from collaborative projects to personal writing, offering a seamless and highly accessible way to manage and create documents online. If you have any other questions or need further clarification, feel free to revisit the relevant sections in this video. Have fun with your new document, and happy writing!